Now we are discussing about a small manufacturing business. In that small manufacturing business, today we are discussing about woolen products manufacturing. Woolen is nothing but for bed sheets and bed covers. We can use it very well. It is also a regularly consuming product. Homemade woolen products have become rare and people now aspire to possess one. If you have the right skills, start making and manufacturing woolen products. Most of the products mentioned have a potential online market which remains unexplored. Next, how do you make wool? How wool is made? A sheep's story. Shearing the sheep. Every year, at the end of the year, winter, sheep farmers shear their sheep using an electric tool similar to a razor that removes all of the sheep's fleece in one piece, cleaning the wool, carding the wool, spinning the wool into yarn, weaving and knitting and dyeing. These will be done by woolen products manufacturers. How woolen cloths are made? Transportation. Post shearing, the wool is packed into blades and transported to the mills, combining and spinning. The wool is then combined by a combing machine and spun into fiber, knitting of or weaving. The fibers are then knit or weaved into woolen clothing. Next point is, where is wool made? Major wool producers from China, Australia and New Zealand, and Australia is the dominant exporter of wool, while is the largest importer of China. The UK, Iran, Russia and South Africa also produce sizable quantities of wool. Global production is valued at around 7.6 billion per year. So that only the entire globe is prosperous, only you will be prosperous. That is, you should not forget. One country will have very good exporters of certain products. All countries will not export all things and all products at a par. So one country will be there. It will export and import certain products. Likewise, every country will have their own exports and imports. So if all the countries are prosperous only, that means entire globe is prosperous only, you will be prosperous. So we should always bless the peace of the globe, then only you will be prosperous. And the next point is, what is wool made from? What is wool fabric? Wool fabric is made from the natural fibers that form the fleece of animals such as sheep, goats, rabbits, camels and more. This is raw material is primarily made up of keratin based proteins, which makes a wool remarkably elastic material. And next point is, what is wool made from? Wool fabric is made from the natural fibers form the fleece of animals such as sheep, goats, rabbits, camels and more. This is raw material is primarily made up of keratin based proteins, which makes a wool is a remarkably elastic material. And the next point is, how many types of wools are there? Types of wool by animal. The 9 different types of wool listed here comes from the fur of different animals, and as such they have different characteristics. And next point is, which wool is best? Merino wool comes from merino sheep, mostly the mountainous regions of Australia and New Zealand. It is the finest and softest sheep wool with superior shine and definitely the most luxurious. It is unsurprisingly a very popular material for luxury bedding and clothing brands. And the next point is, what is pure wool? Pure wool. Pure new wool is wool that has not been blended with another fiber and is used to describe an item that is made from 100% new wool. Most of our new wool blankets are thick and chunky, making them the perfect family blanket. Warm, washable, durable and perfect for everyday use. This is the information regarding wool. So The nature is giving all types of products, but we should utilize in a proper way, in a simple way, and in a comfortable way. That is the subject. Wishing you all the best.